Welcome back everybody. My name is Modra and some people call me Yankee, and we are getting back into 30 days today on day 27, so things are getting really close now. And I thought I would show you what I did throughout the night. I spent a wee bit of time upgrading everything to concrete here, and I put these cobblestone trellises in up the top to give extra support throughout here. I put in this light above this skull just to make things look cool, and everything on this whole entire path is now concrete. And I took out these bits through here because they were getting stuck and hitting these walls, so now everything should be concrete. It should be all ready to go. There's a bit of damage here, I have to work on that. So I just made these things. I need to get some steel to fix them up. I put a little bit of a like an arrow look onto them just to make them look a wee bit cooler. I haven't repaired any of these, as you can probably tell. They didn't take a lot of damage, so we will just upgrade them as well, just for extra support. So everything is pretty much concrete, apart from the roof. See, I'm out of cobblestone already. So that's what I did during the night. So now we're going to check his jobs, and he's got a very close infested clear. We're going to do that. So we've got 2 tier 5s infested. We are going to do them today, and hopefully not die. So this bowling, I have not done this BOI. This is new to me. So we're going to just go straight in. It is tier 5, so I have to be a little bit careful. Actually, let's have a look at how this SMG goes. Hey. Yeah, it's got a nice weapon too. I'm not really interested in anything else but the end loot again. This is more for the XP. So do the higher quests for the most XP. I'll keep getting the gas. Oh, actually, in here. Keep your eyes open for switches for the flame. Hey, sneaking around the corner there. I think we just found the switch with the flame. Yep. Yep. You sit back in there. There you go. Flames now turned off. We should be able to climb up here. Not a problem. Yeah, that felt like a trap. Hello? Hey, getting me through the doors. Hey. You must have sore feet after all of that. I'm going to break this down just because it's here. I should give myself new tools too. I don't have any steel parts, sorry. Sledgehammer. Well, I'm not interested in sledgehammers. Actually, I should repair this gun. I've got a few repair kits. Okay, we're just charging in. Is that our infested crystal loot box already? Hey. Uh-oh. That's Could have gone a little bit better. No, it's just a mutations box. Okay. Munitions. Okay. Hey, you. You're still not dead. Come on, die. Stop hitting me. Alright, we're just going to use the bandage. Might as well use this book straight away. Fish tacos. One of those things are so scary. So were you hiding a pistol in here, were you? Nope. I don't really need the pistol now, I've got the SMG, so... But I'll keep looking anyway. It's just so satisfying when you find one in there. Ah, somebody threw this out and it's going to help me out. Oh. No. Use and use. Hey. Get the big boy gun out. I got stuck on the wall. Right. So were you hiding a pistol then? Nope, not you either. Okay. Nothing in there? Ooh, books. Not pretty average shooting there. Okay, oh, and the safe. We might as well pick the safe open, seeing I've got some lockpicks. Make use of actually making them. Come on, get in first, go. Please. Go. No. And nothing much. There's a funny looking bookcase. Use. I'm going to use this one as well. It's all experience. Okay. Checking behind me. Actually, you know what? Hey, I was first. That was a bit of a strange one. Oh! He went flying backwards into his mate. Take that. Hey, I thought I heard the flappies. Oh, I yeeted that bird way over there. How far away did he go? Can I even see him? I do not know. That could be him over there. He went for miles. I hope that counts as a kill though. Okay, we're just going to jump down, see what happens. Actually, I might get this gun out though. No? Anybody? Weapons bag. Oh, can I get the weapons bag through the door? No. Oh, this is... Is it? Can I close this? No. This is not going to be good. Okay, we're about to get jumped on. Alright, we're going to try and funnel them through this doorway. Did I really kill the cop? It looks like I did. Hey you, stop that. Next. You did. Next, come on. Any more? Oh, that wasn't so hard. All done. Alright, we'll get to this loot. We have completed the quest, so... Oh, a nice blue one. So, what is this? Dart trap bundle. Okay. So, I'll try unlocking this and break open these boxes, and then I'm going to stash some stuff in my bike. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm just going to use all the books. Extra lockpicks, so more than what I had to start with. That's good. Nothing much in there. Nothing much in here either, but I will use them. Oh, I'm still wondering what do I get rid of? A cloth. I got more than enough cloth at home. Oh, maybe I could steal that and sell it for thousands. So we'll just check to see. There we've got a little bit of room. I might do the other quest. Just so when I can go back to the trader, I can sell some stuff all in one go. So I'll get there, then I will drop a whole heap more shit in the bike. And we're going to store a whole bunch of stuff in here. I should get that, actually. There's more concrete here. I'm not too sure where the right way to go is. This kind of seems to be leading me this way. And it didn't look like there was much here. So where is the right way then? Ah, that way. Like that. Wow. You got destroyed in all sorts of ways there. Oh. Didn't even see where you guys woke up from. Man, those ferals are so tough. Okay. So where did they come from? They must have been sleeping down there and I didn't see them. I think I go back around that way. This way. Okay. Oh, there's just so many places to go. Which way is the right way? Okay, it has to be this way. Up or down? Up looks like it's broken. You know what, let's just go down. Unlocked even. Oh, this can be good. We'll lock you again. Reload! There was a silly time to reload. You know what, we're just going to check this right. Harvesting tool, steel quality level 5. That's nice, but then I need the steel parts. So, what am I doing? That's done. We may end up... Oh, shit. We may end up doing a trader run just to see if we can buy some. Oh, you're up there. Okay. Right. Look at all these mines. Oh, actually, I think I remember that. They all come out from in the water. Still one coming. Here he is. I heard a zombie. Must be outside. Oh, I was gonna say the red dots didn't show up. And then they do show up. Sandwiched between them. Okay. There we go. You all done there? Can I carry on? In there. I don't really expect there to be too much in these rooms. Okay, you died pretty quick. Oh yeah, actually I think this is the end fight. I think it's all coming from around the corner. Whoa, you little shit. Actually, let's test out the big gun. Although I think I'm pretty much already done there. Okay, there's still somebody through here. And they're all done. And it's such a nice gun too. So we'll just get some looting done. And then hand these 2 quests in. And then hopefully, although the day is ticking on, see if we can do at least one more quest. So I'll go to the close wreck first. That's a screamer. Okay. We're heading out to take care of the screamer, hopefully. I don't know where she is. I'll bring my bike around too. There she is. Oh, hit her. Jeez. I don't think she screamed. She had plenty of chances too, so... Right. Have I still got stuff to put away? Let's see. Use... So I'll put the dart trap bundle away. Alright, let's carry on looting. Alright, let's start with this wee bit of ammo behind me. Nothing. Nothing much. Still nothing much. Oh yeah, I already looked at that. And the big ammo one, another dart trap bundle. Okay, so we'll use some of these books. Ratchet quality 2. Actually, I'm going to use this bandage. There is a slight upgrade here. It's not really a great one. I'll keep that there. I got so much more ammo than what I started with though. Okay. That's good. Saves me needing to make more or buy more. So we will do this one first, because we might be able to get another one really close by that we can do. So we'll just quickly go and hand this in. What the hell's going on here? Hey guys. What were you trying to do? Hey Rick, you owe me. There was a wandering horde. Or no, the screamer was at the other place. I'm not sure what this is about, but we better take care of him. You know, Rick, you really owe me big time, so just give me the best rewards you can, man. All will be forgiven. Okay, I just saved your ass.
Put away your weapon unless you'd like to die in my store. I guess I'm
rocket launcher.
Pay you now that you did it.
I'll definitely get the impact driver. Don't really like the contact grenades. I have a tendency to hurt myself with them. I don't really want the cornmeal. I'm going to pick up the rocket launcher. Okay, do I have any jobs?
Yep. Blockhead, what are you standing there for? Don't you have work to do?
Selling a lot of stuff. No, I might keep it. I don't really want the beaker. I've already got 2 at home. So I got plenty of burning sharps as well. Oh, actually, let's scrap you. So my ratchet.
Shit, man, I treat you that good and you don't even fucking tip me.
There we go, and I'm going to sell that to him straight away, so don't forget.
Alright, now that we're done doing business, get out of my store.
I can't complain too much. That was pretty decent. I didn't even look to see what cash reward he gave me, but quite a significant amount, I would say. Okay, yeah, I guess that'll do. So we're just going to try and smash this one out real fast as well. So right here. There's one on the steps there. Hello? Oh, you're a feral straight up. Okay. Man, this gun is good. Is that doggy? Man, this gun, whoa, this gun is awesome. I hear the doggy still. Is that another screamer? Someone's trying to break out. Oh, it was a big wolfie. Take that, doggy. Die, please. Anyone else? Sharp sticks. I don't want sharp sticks. Just no. No interest in the rubbish loot. Just the end loot and the quest. Hey, you didn't die. Seriously? You know what? Let's mess you up for that. That was not good. Okay, so we're just gonna use, and I think I'm gonna use the red tea as well. No, it doesn't sell anything, we'll just drop it. There is a screamer out there. Actually, this gun's pretty much broken. Let's repair that. I'm just going to avoid that at the moment. I want to see where the screamer is. Doesn't matter, I waked him up. I'll go with the big gun. Still not cleared yet. I do know that he's supposed to go in there, but I think I hear a screamer. Oh no! Oh, did I miss one? Oh, it's in the garage. Let's go, I'll get this loot while I'm here. I didn't go into the garage. That's okay. Hopefully I've got enough room to pick up what's good here, at least. Come on, open up. Fuck yeah. I mean, open, please. Oh, what's this? Auto turret. Damn. Okay, we'll get rid of this. Use one, what else do I got? Give us some good books that we don't have yet. Oh, nice. Okay, don't have any of them. Baseball bat. Ah, yeah, okay. Not really interested in that either. And more vehicle books. Cool. I still hear that screamer somewhere. Do I need honey? You know what? I'll swap the honey over. Damn. You sell, so I don't really want to get rid of you. That little bit of paint. I got more than enough paint at home. So can I fall down here without dying? Yes, it looks like I can. Oh wee, there's a lot in there. Okay, quest is done. Perfect. So we are actually going to do the other quest first, because he's further away. Where did my bike go? Always lose that bloody thing. And I hope there would be something in that well there. So we're just going to open this up, dump what I can in there to at least free up some stuff. It's silver nuggets, I can sell them. Alright, we made it to this rate. So we'll hand in this quest in real fast. I think I've got room. Yes, I do. He doesn't have anything. Which one of these sells the best? This one. Done. I'll check your jobs. No, I'm probably not going to do that again. So we will just sell these few things. Was that what I wanted to sell? Okay, let's head over to the next trader. Alright, we made it in time. Not too sure what I was so worried about. We've got plenty of time.
Well,
So,
looky here, boy. We got ourselves a real life hero, and now
chainsaw.
he wants to be paid.
I think I'm going to do the chainsaw. And I might do the desert vulture actually. But any jobs? He didn't have anything else. And sell this one. Look at all that money I got. Look at it all. Wait, those tier 5 quests are absolutely amazing. Let's open up all this stuff. SMG's perfect. That's anti-air right there. And use up some of this ammo too. Holy! Wow. That's a lot of stuff. So I really have to put a dart trap here and go that way, but then it's in the way for me. Like if I put it in that wall and shoot in this way, they'll probably shoot me unless I'm standing here. So I don't think I'm going to use them. Or actually, I could use them there. Yeah, let's do that. So if I put this, like that. And like that. So I might put this down here, so when they walk on that, I think that's how it works. So when they walk on that, it starts the traps off. So, and what I will do though, is I will put up my anti-air. Thank you. That's what I was after. And we will put you there. We might actually end up breaking, especially this spike. And why can't I hit that? Interesting. You can do the one outside. Get one there. I should have probably turned this on actually. So they're all, blade traps all running. There's one here. If I lock that and put the gun up like that, that one there's now going. And if I go from here to here, and then from there to there. Why is it not? Oh yeah, because I've got to stand on that. Oh, oh. There we go. Okay, you can stop anytime you want. Okay, so we might do 2 seconds then. I think we are good. I'm just going to go and get a few more rocks until the morning time. And then we have to do... Oh, we might even do a couple of quests before Horde Night. We're all set and ready to go. So thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.